welcome to Marquee Youth Stage production of The Lion King, King Kids. At this time, kindly ask you to silence all cell phones and crying babies. After Act 1, we will have a 2-minute intermission. During this performance, Mallory Graham will be playing a bonsai. Thank you for supporting the arts and enjoy the show.
To practice my courtesy.
Don't turn your back on me, Scar.
Temper. I want three letters.
What am I going to do with them?
Well, sire, you make a very handsome throne rug.
Sam!
Just think, anytime he gets dirty, you can take him outside and beat him.
Wants to know everything about everything. Are we there yet?
Yes, we are. Come sit here. Simba, everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Wow.
A king's time as ruler rises and falls like the sun. One day, Simba, my time will set here, and will rise with you as the new king.
And this will all be mine? Everything. What about that shiny fish way out there?
That's beyond you. You must never go to Simba.
But I thought he could do whatever he wants. Well, there's a lot more to being king than getting your way all the time. Dad, what are those birds over there?
They're buzzards.
They're scary. Why don't you go and chase them away?
They're doing what they're supposed to do. Every existence will be balanced. As king, you must respect all creatures, from the crawling ants to the leaping gazelles.
But don't we eat the gazelle?
Well, yes, but when we die, our bodies become grass, and the gazelles eat the grass. So we are all connected in the great circle of life.
My dad just showed me the whole kingdom, and I'm gonna rule it all.
Really? Did he show you what's beyond that rise of the Lord of Lords?